Cooking yellowfin fish with bitter melon. Fish with bitter melon for our black beans with seasoning. So delicious, yummy, and affordable meal. If you want an affordable meal, just cook like this. Simple fish, bitter melon, and black beans. Maraming salamat. Ito na po yung resulta ng aking luto. Bitter melon, black beans, and fish. Yummy, yummy. Please continue support my YouTube. Share and likes and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for your continuous support. God bless you all. Thank you, my dear friends all over the world.